Good afternoon. This is Minhas Karni from IELTS Total Theory Writing Correction Service from the Facebook. I am from Dhaka and sometimes from Hong Kong. And you have already watched my past video, and I show you something how to write English almost correctly. And today I am just going to show you addition or addition. Okay, just watch. Let's see, Jim bought last week a new car. However, he has yet to learn how to operate the manual. Look at this sentence. Jim bought last week a new car. However, he has yet to learn how to operate the manual. Manual. Gear shift. Look, it is just in first at a glance. You see, can you identify the problem in the sentence? Jim bought last week a new car. However, he has yet to learn how to operate the manual gear shift. In general life, whenever you are facing the problem in your writing, like you are writing your thesis paper, like you are just going to participate in IELTS writing, or just you are going to participate in GRE, verbal writing and everything, or in your practical life, but like you are doing a job in your office, you have to write a lot of report writing, so you need to know it. So this is the way. Okay. So you have to identify the problem here. Yes, simply the problem is here now here. Last week, because I show you last time in the video 1 that you need to summarize, that is the subject or plus object plus modifier plus time modifier. Okay, but you see it, give subject plus a verb. Okay. Okay, and then last week time modifier. Last week modifier. So you can easily see there is some mismatch, subject verb object plus modifier plus tag modifier. But here a new car, a new car. Bought last week, a new car. That is the object. Okay. So you need it last week. You bought last week a new car. However, he has yet to. So you need to just change the new car to the past. Jim bought a new car last week. You should just reverse this. Jim bought last week a new car. Jim bought a new car last week. It is the current function. So you can change it. So you understand? So just how to just put the right word in the right place. Somewhere it is subject, verb, and object, and somewhere place modifier or tag modifier. And just stick with me, and I am going to show you more and more.